Making a full movie with AI used to be impossible because characters looked different in every single scene. You've seen it 100 times. A character is wearing a leather jacket in one shot and a completely different shirt in the next, while their face shifts with every camera angle. It completely breaks the immersion. But Google just dropped Veo 3.1 with a secret protocol called identity lock. You feed it one single reference image, and it completely locks the character's DNA. This means you can now generate unlimited, entirely different video clips, from a quiet office scene to a high-speed action chase, while keeping the face, clothing textures, and hair 100% identical. So, how is Google pulling this off while other tools are still struggling? It all comes down to a structural update in how Veo 3.1 processes data, known as face seeding. Traditional AI video models look at a prompt and try to invent a new character from scratch every single time you hit generate. Veo 3.1 treats your reference image like an actor on a movie set. It maps the geometry of the face, the exact pattern of the clothing fabric, and even the unique way hair falls across the forehead. Once that anchor point is established, the identity lock acts as a permanent creative constraint. The model can change the lighting, change the camera angle, and completely overhaul the background environment, but the core subject remains untouchable and unglitched. To give you an idea of how insane this actually is, look at this workflow. On one side, we have our character standing on a neon-lit cyberpunk street. The rain is reflecting off their jacket, and the camera is doing a slow, cinematic tracking shot. Now, look at the exact same character, placed inside a brightly lit, sterile spaceship interior. In any older AI model, the sudden shift in lighting and environment would completely warp the character's facial features. But with Veo 3.1, the skin tones adapt perfectly to the new lighting. The jacket texture holds its structural patterns, and the facial structure remains absolutely flawless in motion. This isn't a cheap deepfake overlay or an image-to-image warp. The AI is genuinely rendering the exact same 3D identity across entirely different worlds. This feature changes everything for indie filmmakers, animators, and content creators. It completely eliminates the need for expensive motion capture setups or massive 3D rendering pipelines just to keep a character consistent. We are moving rapidly into an era where a single creator sitting at a laptop can write a script, generate a consistent cast of digital actors, and direct a cinematic, multi-scene short film in a matter of hours. The traditional barriers of Hollywood-level visual continuity are officially crumbling. The tools are finally catching up to our imagination. The question is no longer, can AI make a consistent movie? It's who is going to direct the first viral masterpiece using it.